we then start using that power of imagination that helps us to just really do a very deep process or practice of purification and freeing our mind from the negative stuff which is hurting at the moment, our anxiety, our depression, our fears, our anger, our frustration. So we feel all that negative energy appears like in our mind, like clouds, dark clouds in the inner sky of our mind. And as we breathe out, we then let that darkness go. We just let it go with the breath, disappear, gone completely from our mind through concentration, determination and wisdom. We've let go of that negative feeling. Without concentration, without determination, without wisdom, we'll never let go. Those feelings constantly just keep coming back. Those thoughts just keep reproducing, and we get stuck in them. Can't get out of them. We identify with them. And then we suffer them again and again and again. So we've got to, wisdom says, and we don't have to do that. We're not then, that thought, whatever thought it is that's in our head going wah, 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 is not us. We are not that thought. That thought is just a temporary appearance in our mind. Like a cloud in the sky. So we just let that cloud-like thought go, and it will go. We stop identifying with it. It will disappear. Because it's not the nature of our mind, like clouds are not the nature of the sky. They just come and go through causes and conditions. Okay, so without wisdom and concentration, wisdom knows, it's got to know the truth. This thought isn't me. This feeling of pain or anxiety or depression isn't me. I can let it go and it's gone. I can separate myself from it. I can find space and peace and freedom from that thought. That's wisdom. But we need concentration to give that wisdom the warmth, the strength to actually make that separation and let that thought go. Pull our mind out, away from that cloud, and then release it, and it's gone. And not forget what experience of freedom and confidence. That's concentration. That's its job. The imagination just helps to connect those two, our concentration and our wisdom. Imagining the negative thought like a black mental cloud, and with concentration, with wisdom, with imagination together, we let it go and it's gone with the breath. As we breathe in, we feel we're being filled with pure light, infinite light that gives us deep cleansing. It's very clean, purifying, clears our mind like sunlight bursting through the clouds in a dark day. So we focus like that for a few minutes, and then for the final few minutes we just try to feel that our mind does become like a clear sky. There are no dark clouds left, and in that clarity we feel a great peace and confidence. And this is our pure nature. This is our real, say it, most profound and pure nature of our mind and our self. And just enjoy that freedom, that peace, and that sense of confidence it gives us. We hold that, not forgetting, for the final minutes of our meditation.